In this class, let us learn about nucleus. Nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. They are together known as nucleons. Protons are positively charged particles. The charge of the proton is E. E is the basic unit of charge. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Same as that of electron, but electrons are negatively charged particles and protons are positively charged particles. So the charge is plus E. The mass of the proton, it is expressed in atomic mass unit. Mass of the atom is very small, so we are using atomic mass unit. Mass of the proton is 1.00727 U. And one atomic mass unit is approximately 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Neutrons are neutral particles and the mass of the neutron is 1.00866 U, atomic mass unit. Proton is stable, but a free neutron is unstable, but it is stable inside the nucleus. The number of protons inside the nucleus is represented by Z, known as atomic number of the element, and it is equal to number of electrons revolving around the nucleus. So charge of the nucleus is positive Ze, and charge of the total charge of the electrons in the atom is minus Ze, so that the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Number of nucleons inside the nucleus, or number of protons and neutrons, is represented by A, that is known as mass number. So we can find the number of neutrons, N is equal to A minus Z. So a nucleus consists of Z number of protons and A minus Z number of neutrons, or the total number of nucleons is A. So a nucleus can be represented as ZXA, where Z is the atomic number and A is the mass number and X is the chemical symbol of the element. For example, a hydrogen nucleus can be represented as 1H1, atomic number 1, mass number also 1. That means number of protons is 1 and number of neutrons will be 0. A minus Z is 0. And another nucleus, we can represent helium, 2Ha4. Atomic number is 2, so number of protons 2 and number of neutrons will be 4 minus 2. That is also 2. So a helium nucleus consists of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Nuclides with the same atomic number are known as isotopes. For example, let us see the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Atomic number is 1, but mass numbers are different. So the number of neutrons will be different. Nuclides with the same mass number are known as isobars. For example, hydrogen 1H3 and 2He3, isotope of hydrogen and helium. Here mass number is same, so total number of nucleons will be same, but the number of protons different. Similarly, number of neutrons also will be different. Nuclides with the same neutron number are known as isotones. Neutron number is A minus Z, that will be same. 2 isotopes, that is carbon 14 and oxygen 16. Here the Number of neutrons is 8. Here also it is 8. Now let's learn nuclear size. From scattering experiments, it has been found that the nuclear radius is proportional to cubic root of mass number, that is a raised to 1 by 3, or R equals R0 a raised to 1 by 3, where R0 is a constant. It is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter, or we can say R0 is equal to 1.2 Fermi meter, because 1 Fermi meter is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. The nucleus is spherical in shape and the radius is proportional to the cubic root of mass number. So if you compare two nuclear radii, R1 by R2 is equal to cubic root of A1 by A2. And the nuclear mass is proportional to atomic mass number A. So the nuclear volume, if it is spherical in shape, the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So nuclear volume is proportional to r cube and r cube proportional to A. So nuclear density, that is mass by volume, both are proportional to A, so it will be a constant. And the constant value is of the order of 10 raised to 17 kilogram per meter cube. We know that the density of water is 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. So comparing with ordinary matter, nuclear density is very high. Thank you.